Get ready to dive into the ultimate showdown between the Vivo iQOO 15 and Xiaomi 17 Pro. Both pack the blazing Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipsets, but which one truly dominates? Will the Vivo's massive 6.85-inch LTPO AMOLED display with an insane 144Hz refresh rate beat Xiaomi's vivid Dolby Vision 6.3-inch screen? How do their camera setups stack up, especially with Vivo's triple 50-megapixel lenses versus Xiaomi's Leica-enhanced optics? And what about battery life and special features like wireless charging or AI real-time translation? Stick around because by the end, you'll have to decide. Is the Vivo iQOO 15's powerhouse cooling and gaming focus worth more than Xiaomi 17 Pro's ultra-premium camera tech and magic backscreen? Let's find out. The Vivo iQOO 15 takes the crown here with its gigantic 6.85-inch LTPO AMOLED display pushing a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 6,000 nits, making it a beast for gaming and outdoor visibility. Xiaomi's 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED shines with Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus support, plus a secondary rear display. But Vivo's sheer size and refresh rate give it the edge for immersive viewing and fast-paced content. Both smartphones run on the same Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset with octa-core CPUs and Adreno 840 GPUs. But Vivo's slightly higher clocked cores, 4.6 GHz versus 4.61 GHz, hint at a marginal edge in raw performance, especially for demanding tasks and gaming. Vivo impresses with its Q3 gaming chip, Warhammer Max dual-axis motor, and an advanced 8K Ice Dome cooling system designed for intense gaming sessions. Xiaomi counters with ultra-wideband support, AI real-time translation, and a unique magic backscreen, blending innovation in connectivity, AI, and user interaction. Xiaomi 17 Pro leads with a sophisticated triple 50-megapixel camera setup featuring Leica Summilux lenses, 5x optical zoom, and advanced video capabilities including 10-bit Dolby Vision HDR reporting. Vivo's cameras are versatile, but Xiaomi's superior telephoto zoom and sensor tech make it the clear winner for photography enthusiasts. Xiaomi's Leica optics, laser autofocus, and 16.5 EV dynamic range deliver stunning image quality and versatility, especially with its 5x telephoto zoom and backlit portrait mode. Vivo focuses on a solid periscope telephoto with 3x zoom and nice imaging algorithms, but Xiaomi's premium camera tech sets a new standard. Vivo iQOO 15 boasts a massive 7,000 mAh battery, outlasting Xiaomi's 6,300 mAh cell, which means longer gaming and media consumption without constantly hunting for a charger. Vivo steps up with IP68, IP69 certification, offering dust tightness and resistance to high-pressure water jets, plus a striking color-changing rear panel. Xiaomi matches the IP68 rating but lacks the extra durability and flashy rear design features. Both offer generous RAM and storage options up to 1 TB and 16 GB RAM, but Vivo's inclusion of 256 GB with 16 GB RAM as a base variant gives it a slight edge in high-performance multitasking right out of the box.